Sending USDT or USDC incorrectly can permanently lose your funds. In this video, I'll show you how to send stablecoins safely and avoid common mistakes beginners make. USDT and USDC are stablecoins designed to maintain a value close to $1. They are commonly used for trading, transfers, payments, and moving funds between exchanges and wallets. One of the biggest mistakes people make is sending stablecoins using the wrong blockchain network. USDT and USDC exist on multiple networks, including Ethereum, Tron, Solana, BNB Chain, and Polygon. Before sending, always make sure the sending and receiving platforms support the exact same network. For example, if you send USDT using the TRC20 network, the receiving wallet or exchange must also support TRC20 deposits. Open the receiving wallet or exchange account and copy the deposit address carefully. Always double-check the address before proceeding. Choose the correct blockchain network before sending your stablecoins. This step is extremely important because selecting the wrong network can create problems recovering your funds. If you are sending a large amount, consider sending a small test transaction first. This helps confirm the address and network are correct before sending the full amount. Review the wallet address, network, and amount carefully, then confirm the transaction. Wait for blockchain confirmations before assuming the transfer is complete. Different networks have different transaction fees. Ethereum ERC20 transfers are often more expensive, while networks like Tron, Solana, Polygon, and BNB Chain are usually cheaper. Some common mistakes include selecting the wrong network, copying incorrect wallet addresses, using fake wallet apps, or sending unsupported tokens. Always verify details carefully before confirming transactions. If you need to send USDT or USDC to multiple wallets, doing it manually can take time and increase mistakes. Open the MyCryptoView AI Multisender and select your preferred supported network. You can upload wallet addresses using CSV, XLSX, or paste them manually. If you're sending the same amount to everyone, simply type something like send 0.001 tokens, then upload your addresses. There's no need to manually format token amounts for every wallet. Select your token, approve the transaction in MetaMask, then confirm the transfer process. This makes bulk stablecoin transfers much faster and more efficient. Always use official wallet apps and exchanges. Never share your recovery phrase or private keys with anyone. For additional safety, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. That's how to send USDT or USDC safely while avoiding common mistakes. If this video helped, subscribe for more crypto tutorials and guides.